Hi viewers, thanks for subscribe. Who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click bell icon to get notifications for latest videos from my channel. Yes or no questions? How to form yes or no questions using auxiliary verbs we are going to see in this video. First am, is, are. These three auxiliary verbs are used in present tense. We use am with I, is with he, she or it or any other singular form noun. Are is used with you, we, they or any plural form nouns. Example, am I rich? Am I rich? Is he happy? Is she happy? Is it happy? Are you tired? Are we tired? Are they tired? Look, all these questions have started with auxiliary verb. Thereafter, noun or pronoun. Thereafter, object. Next, past tense. Past tense auxiliary verbs are was and were. Was is used with I, he, she and it. Were is used with you, we and they. Was I angry? Was he angry? Was she angry? Was it angry? Next, were. Were you sad? Were we sad? Were they sad? Next, has, have and had. In these three auxiliary verbs, have and has are used in present tense. Had is used in past tense. Has is used with he, she, it pronouns or any singular noun. Have is used with I, we, you, they pronouns and any plural form nouns. Has is equal to does plus have. Have is equal to do plus have. Had is equal to did plus have. To form yes or no question, you must add pronoun in between do formers and have formers. I mean between does and have you must use pronoun or noun. Let us see some examples here. Does he have money? Does he have money? Does she have money? Does it have money? In these examples, we have used pronouns in between does and have. Next, have. Do I have money? Do we have money? Do you have money? Do they have money? In these examples also, we have used pronouns between do and have. Next, had. Had is used with all pronouns and nouns, whether it is singular form or plural form. Did I have money? Did we have money? Did you have money? Did they have money? Did he have money? Did she have money? Did it have money? You see the similarity here. For all these have, has and had yes or no questions, do form verb plus Have is common. For has it is does plus have. For have it is do plus have. For had it is did plus have.